In this lecture, we'll be exploring loops in Python. There are two kinds of loops that are available in Python. First one being the while loop. Now, the while loop executes till the condition is satisfied or is true. So over here in this example, you can see we are initializing the variable I with 0, and then we are saying while I is less than 10, print I and then increment it by 1. So it will keep on running till the time I is less than 10. So if I execute this, you'll notice the output is coming as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see that till the time I was less than 10, this loop executed. Now, the other loop that we have in Python is the for loop. Now, the for loop basically iterates over a list of items. So it could be an array which you can iterate over, or it could be a list of numbers. For instance, over here in this example, you can see that we have a for loop where we are saying I in, then we are making use of a range function. So it's a mathematical function provided in Python, which is just giving you a range of numbers, so 0 to 10. So we are saying that for I in range 0 to 10, print the loop. And if I execute this one now, you'll notice this for loop 0 till for loop 9. So that's how it is iterating over the list of numbers that the range method produces. And similarly, we can make use of the for loop to loop over array items or collections, which obviously we'll be covering up in the upcoming lectures. But to demonstrate, this is what Python provides as far as loops are considered.